In this video, I am going to explain question set 33. In this question, we have to create the relationship between these tables. So the first question is record the relationship between user and user type. The relationship between the user and the user type is many to many because a user can have many user types and a user type can have many users. When we give many to many relationship in MySQL, it will create a new table and it gives one to many relationship. So like this. So as you can see, it created a new table and here it gives one to many relationship. In here I am going to remove this primary key in this table and it will become a non-identified relationship. The second question is record the relationship between the user and the gender. The relationship between the user and the gender is one to many. A user can have only one gender, but a gender can have one or many users. So therefore it's going to be one to many, and the key will be stored in the many side, in the user side. The gender ID stored in the user side as a foreign key. The third question is record the relationship between user and system login. So between the user and the system login, a user can log into a system one or many times, and the system login can have only one user. The user ID will go to the many side, which is system login, and the user ID will become a foreign key in the system login table. The fourth question is record the relationship between the user and the address. The relationship between the user and the address is address can have one or many users, and a user can have only one address. The next question is record the relationship between address and the city. So the relationship between address and the city is a city can have one or many addresses, but one address can have only one city. The sixth question is record the relationship between product and a brand. The relationship between a product and a brand is brand can have one or many products, but one product can only have one brand. The seventh question is record the relationship between user and the GRN or good receive node. The relationship is one to many because a user can have one or many GRN good receive nodes, but only one good receive node can given to one customer. So it is one to many. And the next question is record the relationship between GRN and the GRN items. The relationship is one to many because GRN can have many GRN items, but one GRN item belongs to one good receive node. The relationship is one to many. The eighth one is record the relationship between record the relationship between GRN item and the product. The relationship between the GRN item and the product is one to many. A product GRN item can have many products. GRN item can have many products, but a product can be only in one GRN item. So therefore one to many. 10th one is record the relationship between GRN item and the stock. So the relationship between the stock and the GRN item is one to many. A stock can have many GRN items, but a GRN item can be only in one stock. It can't be in multiple stocks. 11th one is record the relationship between user and the invoice. So the relationship is actually one to many, because a user can have many invoices, but one invoice only belongs to one user. So it is one to many relationship. 12th one is note the relationship between invoice and invoice item in the ER diagram. An invoice can have many invoice items, but one invoice item can only be in one invoice. So therefore the relationship is one to many. Last one is record the relationship between invoice item and the stock. The relationship is the same, one to many, because a stock can have many invoice items, but one invoice items can be only in one stock. So the one to many. So this is all for question set 33. Thank you for watching.